Aji samla pola khuburti Nagaland State te unemployment youth khan karni departmental exam ekdom super fast publish aro fastest recruitment health kurgena ja thakya viewers khan ke junai dibole mon thakya tuli Government of Nagaland Directorate of Fire and Emergency Service Department khan recruitment notice 22nd January announce kuri digena ja kali 23rd of January 12:30 PM Indira Gandhi Stadium ti written exam rakhi loise aro aji phujor laga paper hisab ti department khan ja kali announce kuri dia nishna oral interview aji phujor 10 baji bra loigena rakhi digena thakya dekhibo pare ase department laga recruitment iman super fast thagise koili osor thakya manu khan laga opportunity hi thagi jabo aro Nagaland State pi inika super fast recruitment ja thakya pailoya ase aro fire and emergency service ha karni inika hobo pare koigena viewers khan ke jonai dia ase Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO atta tribal bodies khan tu jasal 2023 ti Central State Government Khanbra Frontier Naga Territory propose kurdigena aha final decision lobole bishi deri hoja karni January 20 tarik CEC members khan meeting kuri loigena fesla kura nishna January 25 tarik Mon district bra kotha kur loigena step lobole ready kuri thakya khobor pailu ase sources hesabti atta tribal bodies khan Kalimon district te kotha kur lobole thakya doli Ministry of Home Affairs Khanbra MOS draft kurgena thakya sign karni ENPO khan ki invite kurbole delay ho jase ko ase itu karni CEC khan dimabute kotha kurlo anishna dangor step loigena decision loi lobon miti ENPO khan meeting propose kuri thakya koi dia ase Mon district te kali laga meeting ti ENLU members exponent konyak honorable MP Raja Sabha Tok team member ENPO advisor sub tribal laga president bra loigena 5 jon respective CEC members all frontal organization president and general secretary along with federating unit president of all sub unit aro ENPO executive members khan milaigena kotha kurbole program kuri thakya viewers khan ke jankari dia ase aro Manipur police khan ex loigena latest report di thakya sabti Assam Rifle Jawan Myanmar border South Manipur region te deploy kurgena thakya Assam Rifle Jawan ekjon bra nijor laga service rifle banduk loigena Batland Pitorti guli cholai disha aro 6 jon Jawan upor jokhum kurdigena last day nijor kepi guli cholai lose ko ase ethnic violence ja thaka uporti details aro transparently khobor logina share kurbole Manipur police official ex logina update kuri dia ase aro jokhum kuri dia Assam Rifle personnel khan tu military hospital te loi jaina treatment rakhilo ase aro halat ti jokhum pagina thakya khan sob non Manipuri thagise koigena clear kuri dia ase Next khobor te recently 18 of January itumoinati suspected Khuki militant Khanbra mite civilian charjon Muraida ja kalibra final rights rakhilogina dabai loise ko ase hatsa uporte osor local bosti manu khan report dia sabti banduk awas hunya karni verification ti charjon laga lash osorte pajase ko ase aro lash khan tu postmortem karni RIMS te rakhigena thagise hulipi duste din family aro well wishers khan lash logina NKK ward number 40 dabalusha aro hazaro upur manu khan Imphal Chura Chanpur road bahar ulagina final respect rakhi lushiko ase recently Mega Entertainment Northeast largest fishing and pageant event organizer Khanbra Jonaidia Sabti 13th edition of Setwet Mega Mr. Northeast 2024 across Northeast State team audition held kurgena 50 candidate sale kurlobole khobor dia ase reported first audition Agratala Hotel Sonari Tori January 28 tarik held kurlogena Kokrajar January 31st Kohima Hotel Jafu February 3 tarik Guwahati February 4 February 10 tarik Shillong aro February 18 Gangtok te rakhi lobo koi dia ase itu karni interested candidate participant khan tu koi dia location code te hulipi attend kurbole napara hoja shekuili online application pi accept thakbo itu karni 8404093938 te kane kurgina registration aro audition process rakhi lobole mail receive kri thake asapti viewers khan ke jonai dia ase